If you are a freelancer or consultant who quotes a different number for every single project, this video is going to walk you through exactly what fixed price services are, how they work in practice, and why so many service providers are moving toward them. Fixed pricing does not mean you pick a random number and hope for the best. It means you define a clear scope, attach a specific deliverable to it, and tell the client upfront what it costs before any work begins. The result is less back-and-forth negotiation, fewer surprise invoices, and a buying experience that feels closer to purchasing a product than hiring a person by the hour. We are going to cover what makes a fixed price offer different from hourly billing, how to structure one without losing money, and where fixed pricing falls apart if you skip the scoping step. Whether you run a design studio, a copywriting practice, or a development shop, the mechanics are the same. A fixed price service is an offer where you charge a single, predetermined amount for a clearly defined scope of work. The client pays that amount whether the project takes you 8 hours or 18. That might sound risky, and it can be if you do not scope properly, but it also removes one of the biggest friction points in service sales, the unknown total cost. When you bill hourly, the client has no idea what the final invoice will look like until the project is done. That uncertainty makes buyers hesitant, slows down the decision, and often leads to micromanagement because the client feels every hour ticking on a meter. With fixed pricing, the conversation shifts. Instead of asking how long something takes, the client asks what they get. You present a package, here is the deliverable, here is the timeline, here is the price. They say yes or no. That clarity is valuable to both sides. You can plan your workload because you know exactly what you agreed to deliver. The client can budget because they know exactly what they will spend. A common misconception is that fixed price means you earn less. In reality, as you get faster and more efficient at delivering the same scope, your effective hourly rate goes up without charging the client more. A logo designer who charges $2,000 for a brand identity package and completes it in 12 hours earns a higher effective rate than one who bills $60 an hour for the same 12 hours. The difference is that the fixed-price designer can also improve their process, use better templates, and eventually finish in 8 hours, pushing the effective rate even higher, all while the client pays the same fair price for the same outcome. The key requirement is that the scope must be defined tightly enough that you can estimate the effort with reasonable accuracy. If you cannot describe what the client will receive in 2 or 3 sentences, the scope is probably too loose for a fixed price. Setting a fixed price starts with understanding 3 variables: the cost of delivery, the value to the client, and the market rate for similar work. Ignoring any one of these leads to a price that is either too low to sustain or too high to sell. Let us walk through a practical example. Suppose you are a freelance copywriter and you want to offer a fixed price landing page package. Your first step is calculating your cost of delivery. If the page typically takes you 6 hours of writing, 1 hour of research, and 1 hour of revisions, that is 8 hours of labor. If your minimum acceptable hourly earning is $75, your cost floor is $600. You should not price below that number unless you have a strategic reason. Next, consider the value to the client. A landing page for a SaaS company launching a new product might generate tens of thousands of dollars in trial signups. A landing page for a local bakery promoting a holiday menu has a different value ceiling. The same deliverable commands different prices depending on who is buying and what outcome they expect. This is why many service providers create separate packages for different client segments rather than one universal price. Finally, check the market. If most freelance copywriters charge between $800 and $2,000 for a similar landing page, pricing at $300 signals low quality and pricing at $5,000 requires a strong reputation or niche expertise to justify. Your fixed price should sit within the range that reflects your skill, your delivery speed, and the segment you serve. One practical tip: build a small buffer into your fixed price to cover scope creep that slips through. If you estimate 8 hours, price for 10. That buffer protects your margin when the client asks for one more round of revisions or sends content late and you need to readjust the timeline. It is not padding the price dishonestly. It is accounting for the reality that service work rarely goes exactly as planned. Fixed price services are not a fit for every situation, and knowing when to avoid them is just as important as knowing how to use them. Here is a simple diagnostic to help you decide whether fixed pricing makes sense for a given project. First, can you define the deliverable in concrete terms? If the answer is a finished 5-page website with wireframes approved before development, fixed pricing works. If the answer is ongoing strategic consulting with undefined deliverables, it does not. The more ambiguous the output, the harder it is to set a fair fixed price. Second, do you have historical data on how long similar projects take? If you have completed 10 logo projects and they average between 12 and 16 hours, you can price with confidence. If this is the first time you are offering this service, consider running 2 or 3 projects on an hourly or dated basis first to collect data before switching to fixed pricing. Third, does the client expect unlimited revisions or ongoing changes? Fixed pricing requires a revision cap or a clearly stated change order policy. Without one, a $2,000 project can turn into $4,000 of labor and destroy your margin. A simple clause like this package includes 2 rounds of revisions and additional rounds are billed at $150 each, protects both sides. Here is a quick checklist for launching your first fixed price offer. Define the deliverable in 1 or 2 sentences. Calculate your cost floor based on estimated hours and your minimum rate. Research the market range for similar work. Add a 10 to 20% buffer for scope variance. Set a revision cap and document it in your proposal. Present the package with the price, the deliverable, the timeline, and the revision terms all visible in one place. Review margin after the first 3 projects and adjust the price if your actual hours consistently exceed the estimate. Fixed pricing is a tool, not a universal rule. It works well when scope is clear, delivery is repeatable, and both sides benefit from cost certainty. Start with one service, price it carefully, and measure the results before converting your entire practice. Product-based service playbook helps freelancers, consultants, and small agencies turn custom work into repeatable, packaged services. The channel explains pricing, scoping, delivery systems, onboarding, retainers, margins, and processes for building a service business that scales without trading more hours for more revenue. This video is general service business education, not a guarantee of revenue, pricing power, clients, retainers, margin, reduced workload, or business results. Outcomes vary by niche, skill, positioning, demand, delivery quality, client needs, and sales process.